Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world today, welcome to my channel. Directly behind me, guys, I am here at Oconaluftee River Trail, but I'm actually headed back to Atlanta, so I wanted to give you guys this bonus video of these beautiful and brilliant animals. Please subscribe to my channel before I start this video and definitely hit that notification button. So you guys stay tuned and let's go explore some amazing creatures. See you guys there. Hey you guys, so here I am still in Tennessee, man, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the most amazing views that you can only see here in Tennessee that would just blow your mind. Just take a moment, guys. This is why I love coming to the mountains. This is why I love coming to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This is why I love coming to the Smoky Mountains to see stuff, to actually visualize stuff like this, guys. All I can say, guys, is I'm always blown away when I come and I see stuff like this. Wow. So you guys, I'm actually going live. I actually see a deer. Let's check this deer out, guys. Look at this beautiful animal. Wow. Wow. Check this out. Wow. There's all the spectators that's out here pulling over on the side of the road because the deers are actually coming out from the brush area, guys, and they're out here everywhere. When I say everywhere, guys, they're everywhere. There's one over there as well. As you see, the spectators are pulling over. Wow. Wow. So you guys, here at Oconaluftee, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, but they actually have some old cabins way back from the 1800s that I want you guys to take a look at, and I think they're actually interesting, so check this out. Over there, guys, you see some amazing cabins, logs, and look over here. Chopped wood. Look at the massive wood display. Wow. The name up there says bee gum stand. Okay. I have no idea what that is, but I'm quite sure I will ask around and see what that is. And look, there is an actual original fire pit. Up here they have barrels. And like I said, guys, this is stuff dated way back from the 1800s. Look at all the firewood. This is amazing, huh?
Did you tell them what the park ranger said about the cabin? How they brought it in. It was on another part of the property.
Wow.
In the mountains, in the Smoky Mountains, and they actually packaged it up and brought it over here to be part of this exhibit.
So they can actually package something like this up and wow.
And bring it over.
Wow.
It was in another part, a desolate part of the park.
Let's go take a closer look at this cabin that they actually transported over here from the 1800s. Look at the original porch, guys.
No, that's not. I was just about to say that. So this is probably how they got it over here. You can tell this is new.
Oh yeah, this is actually new, yeah.
So they could carry it over, because otherwise probably the foundation of the original will fall and break everything. So they probably built this so they can move it, because all of this is brand new. But you can tell this is all original.
Wow. And something alerted me over here. This said this is the actual meat house. So this is actually where they did all the grinding and chopping of hogs and pigs, as you see. In this house right here, it says this building protected one of the most valuable commodities on a mountain farm, the meat supply. The most common meat was pork. Without refrigeration, salting and smoking were the most common means of preserving meat and protecting it from insects and bacteria. Amazing. Let's take a look at it. And they actually have the original latches on it. As you see, it aged very well. Meat house. Wow. So you guys, I'm actually gonna leave from over here with the meat house at, and I'm gonna go around and sightsee for you guys. So you guys keep watching, stay tuned, and let's go sightsee and tour around this amazing visitor center. Check out the chickmunk, guys.
As soon as we get off,
Wow.
they'll be everywhere.
Of course. Of course.
Wow.
Did the temperature have anything?
It's a whole family of them. Look at the baby one. Wow. Beautiful animals. And then we have one in the brush. Like I said, you guys, I have no earthly idea what I'm going to do with this footage, but I just wanted to show you guys around this little barn area, actually. And I was told by one of the park rangers that this particular barn here, let me zoom in for you guys. This barn here has been here since like the 1800s. And all I could say is wow. Wow. Stay tuned, guys. Keep watching. I'm actually walking along this fence line, as you guys can see. And we're just headed over here where I see some horses, some barns, and also someone alerted me that there's actually some chickens over here as well.
These squirrels are everywhere. He's going back there. Running down.
It looks like a donkey, actually.
It is a donkey. Donkey.
Hey, there's a horse actually coming from out of the brush area. Wow. Beautiful horse.
This is close to the trail.
So you guys, we were actually headed back to the car, but a couple of spectators had noted, gave us some notification that there is a massive bull elk in this direction over here. So we're actually going to head back over here where there's a massive bull elks. So you guys, let's go see the massive bull elks. Check out the water stream, guys. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually by myself. Danielle stayed there, but I'm actually trying to go see if I can see this massive bull elk. Remember, guys, I want to give you guys some amazing footage, so hang tight, guys. Okay, you guys, so we are walking up on a deer that's within 50 feet of us. So I have to stay very quiet. Check out my little buddy, guys. He's going back into the brush. Such a beautiful animal. Wow. Such a beautiful animal. Okay, you guys, first off, thank you for tuning into this video. I'm actually headed back to Atlanta. I'm glad I was able to show you some deers, some horses, and definitely a donkey. Also, they had rattlesnakes and chipmunks, and also other massive animals that unfortunately I didn't get a chance to see. Hopefully next time I will bring that to you guys. So please subscribe to my channel and definitely hit that notification bell. And always remember to, guys, to don't stop. Keep going. Hey, you guys, I found it. I know in the outro I told you that I didn't find the bull elk, but guess what, guys? Danielle is actually making a U-turn as we speak, and I found the bull elk, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go see the bull elk. There's the bull elk, guys. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Wow, this thing is massive.